Hello and welcome to the product presentation of our D365/AX DMS connector for ELO. In this video series, I give you an overview of the base functionality of our DMS connector. The general purpose of our product is to assist you in archiving and keywording your documents into ELO, as well as displaying them directly in D365 out of ELO. Our DMS connector differs between two types of documents, outbound documents and inbound documents. As an inbound document, we consider every document that is created inside D365, like the sales confirmation or the sales invoice, for example. Here I have a process flow diagram that shows the process of the outbound documents. We start at the left with posting our document, let's say our sales confirmation in D365. And right after the posting process, our DMS connector takes action. The connector then generates the PDF file of the document along with the keywording information, brings both information together and archives it into our ELO. Here I have a Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operation System in which we can see how this process actually works. Let's say, for example, I would like to post a sales confirmation. Then I would first go to all sales orders, pick an open sales order, say sell, generate confirmation, say OK. And now our system will generate our sales confirmation. Here we go, the sales confirmation has been generated and the DMS connector already took action. If we now go to DMS queries, to sales confirmation, we can see here our generated sales confirmation along with all the keywording information.